going to do the right leg first. It should be fine. It's an atlas right superior affecting the left lateral spinal cerebellar nerve tract. This CP reflex should be off. Okay, come here, honey. I got you. Come here. Okay. All right, so now, and then you see how arched he is.
Yep.
This is atrophied over here. The right side's not so bad. Atrophy on those left buttocks. And he's very tight up here, of course, because the body weight's not here, it's going over here, and he's really holding himself up.
Yep.
Lots of tightness here. Hi, sweetie. I bet he won't even let me pick up his right shoulder, his right leg. No.
You can give it a shot.
No, all his weight's here. Okay, that's fine. All right. We're gonna get the atlas to go down and around the condyles, opening up the left side. Is it okay with you if we correct you? Yeah? Good boy. All right, so let's get your head straight. Just gonna flick it. Is that okay with you? Yeah? Okay, head straight, babes. Oscar. Head straight. Good boy. And he's also got left cervical atrophy. He's been out of alignment with this atlas being pressed against the left neurology. So let me check him. People think about muscle memory, if the dog will hold their alignment or not. But it's really how atrophied the neck muscles are. Come here. Come here, sweet pea. Good boy. Good boy.
You're right there on his neck bone.
So I'm leaving the fractured at age 5 weeks, C4, C5.
Okay.
So the two muscle centers here are going to balance, so I don't have to touch this.
Okay.
The muscles are going to shift everything all by itself because muscles move bones.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay, come here, Oscar. Let me see if I got it. Okay. Hey, sweet boy. Okay. Feels good. Pull muscles are relaxed. Head straight. Oh, thank you, Oscar. Let me feel.
Let's hit up or anything.
Come here.
Right, but
Here, Oscar. Stay.
Good boy.
Okay,
Don't you stand in front of him, Ross?
Yeah.
That might
yeah,
focus
stand in front of him. Stay. Good boy. Oh, that's good. I'm just seeing if I got it. Okay, head straight. Okay, so the atlas is right underneath the center of the skull.
okay.
I got the two muscle centers balanced.
Just like that, bam.
Gotta get the right angle, and it works. So now, I'm just gonna arch this up because this has been so tight. And remember, muscles move bones, so we're already going through a spinal change.
Right.
All the way down from the pole to the pelvis. And he doesn't even look so arched anymore.
No.
See that? That's relaxed. Okay, so now let's do the CP reflex. Okay, so we're going to do the good leg first. That's perfect. It comes down from the acetabulum. Now we'll do, let's turn him around this way. How you doing, Oscar? I'll do this leg. You ready? Perfect. Perfect. So now he knows where this leg is. It's talking to the cerebellum. Cerebellum goes, haven't heard from you for a long time, but we're talking now. So now he knows how to use his left leg. The weight comes here. Let's try to pick up his right shoulder now. Hey, sweetie. How you doing, Oscar? How you doing?
Oh, I love you too.
I know, magic, huh? So that looks so much better. Okay, here we go. You ready? Look at that. Bingo. Now I get to check his toesies. I bet that felt like magic. Okay.
This
And then
all
look
nerves
at
and stuff.
his legs are parallel.
Yep.
Good. Parallel. So he feels his rear legs. He feels his body balance in the back.
Yep.
Now let him go. Let me see if he'll do a big body shake. Let's see what you want to do. Most of the time they want to do a shake. He's stretching out. He's forward. Everything's balanced. Good.